Hi, good morning everyone. Good afternoon. No, good evening everyone. Today we are going to open this one. And yes. Okay. Now for the results. And time to open it. Good thing I have this. Oh wait. Hey. The last one. This includes all four. It includes all four, like this one, with this one, and this weird gold thing. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.